Now I'm into doing gravies from scratch and stuff like that. So I experiment all the time. So I'm trying to learn how to prepare tasty, foods that we naturally eat with less fat and stuff like that in it. So what I did with this to come up with this chicken gravy is delicious. The only thing that I could have done differently, of course you can always add whatever you want to your chicken gravy, but I'm just, I'm working with few ingredients. I'm just want to try to figure out ways to keep it tasty with the least ingredients, so you don't have dairy around, butter, something like that. What if you don't have that, but you have the meat? So this is with me, I boiled the chicken a little bit, so I boil my chicken a lot, and then that keeps you can stay healthier like that, but I season my food up. Sometimes I bake it, sometimes I use my rotisserie. Occasionally when I felt up to it, I go out and I'll grill me a little bit, but I usually cook from the beginning. And so I'm just trying to find healthy alternatives to eat the same foods that we like to eat, but with few ingredients, In these hard times, we got to figure things out. Plus healthy ways to eat, And I eat a lot, and I'm not that big. So, I mean, I can prove, but I go through cycles. I usually gain weight in the winter, My appetite changes with the weather. When it's hot, I don't eat as much, But then once it gets wintry, I start eating more. But anyway, so this white gravy is just my all-purpose flour and the chicken stock. The stock from the chicken. The water that I boiled the chicken in. I use that, as to make, I guess, my gravy. I use that as the stock part, I guess. I don't know if that's what you say or not. Forgive me if I'm using the wrong terms, but so anyway, this is just like salt, just a little salt, and some flour, and then it was the chicken stock from me boiling this chicken. So I boiled this chicken down. I didn't let it boil all the way down to where it was falling apart. And then I took it out of the stock and I put it in this baking dish, so that I could bake it the rest of the way and bake some of the seasoning in there. I got cumin on here right now and just some sea salt. I'm trying to learn how to do things with least ingredients, and it still be tasty. But anyway, that gravy is really good. Of course, you can add more things to it, I'm just trying to work with things with the least ingredients, to where it's still tasty. So, but this gravy is really good. Of course, people can add what they want, so don't judge me for that.